Dibuja fácil.h.
Hola, hola, hoy vamos a dibujar una hermosa y divertida casa. Ven y acompáñame.
3 shapes and sizes you will see. Circles, squares, triangles too. So much fun for me and you. Let's learn and play, oh what a day. Singing, dancing, hip hooray. Numbers, letters, all the way. We were smarter every day. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, let's learn them all. D for dog, E for egg, F for frog, on a log. Let's learn and play, oh what a day. Singing, dancing, hip hooray. Numbers, letters, all the way. We grow smarter every day. With a smile and with a song, learning is where we belong. Every day in every way, we're getting brighter as we play. Little mouse, Lolly, so tiny but so fast, running through the fields, looking for cheese at last. Every morning light, Lolly sings so loud. Everywhere you go, you hear laughter all around. Lolly, Lolly, little mouse so sweet, playing with friends, joy in every street. Lolly, Lolly, full of life's delight, bringing happiness, spreading light so bright. Lolly has friends, teddy bear and kitten too. Together they have fun, every day feels new. Under the moonlight they dance and play. Lolly is the shining star leading the way. Lolly, Lolly, little mouse so sweet, playing with friends, joy in every street. Lolly, Lolly, full of life's delight, bringing happiness, spreading light so bright. Even when it rains, Lolly stays and so strong, helping all his friends, never feeling wrong, learning something new every single day. Little mouse so brave, lighting up the way. Lolly, lolly, little mouse so sweet, playing with friends, joy in every street. Lolly, lolly, full of life's delight, bringing happiness, spreading light so bright. Little mouse lolly, forever in our hearts, with a joyful smile, love that never parts. When we feel down, think of Lolly's cheer, we'll find happiness and love so near. Lolly, lolly, little mouse so sweet, playing with friends, joy in every street. Lolly, lolly, full of life's delight, bringing happiness, spreading light so bright. Lolly, lolly, little mouse so sweet, playing with friends, joy in every street. Lolly, lolly, full of life's delight, bringing happiness, spreading light so bright. Lolly, lolly, little mouse so sweet, playing with friends, joy in every street. Lolly, lolly, full of life's delight, bringing happiness, spreading light so bright. Bringing happiness, spreading light so bright. Early in the morning, mother calls, come on my dear. Little ducks with scarves follow mother to the green field, together finding food. The ducklings play joyfully, swimming in the pond. Mother teaches them to dive and fly. Little ducks, follow mother to find food. Little ducks, swimming in the blue pond. As evening comes, the ducklings return home. Warm by mother's side, sleep soundly in their cozy home. Under the midday sun, mother teaches the ducklings to find shade. Beneath the shady trees, the ducklings play cheerfully. With tiny steps, the ducklings follow mother everywhere, learning to live happily through daily lessons. Little ducks, follow mother to find food. Little ducks, swimming in the blue pond. As evening comes, the ducklings return home. Warm by mother's side, sleep soundly in their cozy home. As the evening fades, the sunset falls quietly. The ducklings gather with mother in their beloved home. A day has passed, so many joyful lessons learned. Sleep well in dreams, waiting for a bright new day. Little ducks, follow mother to find food. Little ducks, swimming in the blue pond. As evening comes, the ducklings return home. Warm by mother's side, sleep soundly in their cozy home.